Well, here it is, my eBay purchase. $206.78. And what is it? Well, I'm going to do a review on it because I thought it was quite cheap. And it's virtually a whippersnipper converted motor, which is an outboard 2 horsepower 2-stroke. So let's open it up and see what's in it. Yep, looks like a whippersnipper. There's your fuel mixture canister. Bracket. It's actually quite sturdy. Some little tools to put it together. So far, pretty good. Okay, well, as you can see, I've just put it on the trampoline for the time being, and I'll just go through a few things. Only took a couple of minutes just to bolt it on. There's actually one bolt, that's it. On here, but it doesn't adjust to make the handle go up any further. But I like this little bit here. When you twist that around, that actually locks the motor in, so when you're going the reverse, the motor doesn't pop back up. So that's clever. I like that. You've got a little choke here. By the way, there's no instructions with this, but I don't think it's too hard to work out if you're familiar with boat motors. If you're not, you might have to ask someone. Obviously you put your petrol in here, and it's got quite a big tank, so it's actually quite good, and you've got that other spare bottle as well. Obviously this is where you pull it from. There's your little exhaust pipe, and like most whippersnippers or motors, there's a little screw there which is adjustment screw. Hopefully this is all adjusted, ready to go, and you've got your pump in there that pumps up the fuel, and I'm presuming this little button here, which we'll test out, is to stop the motor, to kill the motor. You also, this is the throttle, so a few various speeds, which you look in there, operates a little carburetor. As you can see on the bottle they gave me, the instructions is to fill it up to 485 with unleaded, and then with 2-stroke oil, doesn't say which kind, but just to go up to the 500. Once you've done that, just shake it up, and that's your mix. So obviously, I'm going to put this into here. Now if you come around here, or just here, actually just in here, as I said before, there's a little primer button, just come along here, and this is for the fuel. So this is going to pump it up. You can see the fuel coming through the lines now, so I can put this back on, tighten that up, pump it up. Okay, as I said, there's no instructions, so we're going a bit blind. But there's a choke here. Doesn't really tell you which way to go, but we'll give it a go. So it's primed. Let's see what happens. So that's pretty good. That's straight out of the box starting it. It's idling okay. This is air cooled. So what I liked about this also is that when I started it, that propeller wasn't going around. I'm going to give it another start now that we know how to start it. I'm still not sure about which way this choke goes, but it doesn't really tell you any instructions, but let's see if it starts. Okay, I'm going to put that back to where it started. About that is actually it's sitting on there really nicely without any vibration. So there it is. Always try and test the motor before you have to go into the water, so when you get down the water at least you know it starts. The other thing I like is that you're not going to have to run, because this is air cooled, you don't have to run the motor and pump like on traditional two-stroke motors where you've got to pump the water through and flush it out. So there'll be no flushing, and as long as you don't get it wet, I suppose a bit of WD-40 and just wipe it down, and that's about it. So let's go test it on a boat now. Alright, as I said, I'm going to test the motor, so here we go. Let's test this little whipper-snipper motor and see how it goes. For what you get, but this boat is about 11 foot. It's aluminium, it's actually quite light, and it doesn't go very fast. So if there was a wind, or they reckon it can do 22 k's with 4 people in it, I doubt it very much. The other thing I'll show you why I've got it, I've got a little bit of room here, so that's running. I can check the motor out. If I hit something or a log, at least it goes up. I want reverse. The handle's a little bit far away, but I turn that around. I reach over. And we've got reverse. Okay, the other thing too is you can let go, so it's quite good, it's quite safe, even at high speed. That's out of petrol. So, I'll show you how to refill on water. It took me, I think, about six pulls or 7 pulls after I prime it and it started. So that's a good thing. I only put that much in, which was 500 mils. So now with this one, that'll be a litre of fuel. So, and that 500 mils running flat out, I reckon 20 to 25 minutes on that tank you got. Let's see if she starts now.